Hi, it's Amy Kite with Keller Williams. Today I wanted to talk to you about closing costs for a buyer. If you're a buyer and you've got down payment that you need to come to the table with, you also need to come to the table with closing costs. Everybody has closing costs. Seller has closing costs. You have closing costs as a buyer. So are there ways to reduce the amount of money that you have to bring to the table, especially to cover closing costs? And there are a few ways. You could ask the seller to provide a closing cost credit. In reality, what you're doing is you're just wrapping those costs into your mortgage. But that's one way to reduce the amount of money that you need to have at the time of closing. So it can be very helpful. Depending upon the type of mortgage you can get up to 3% and sometimes even more to cover closing costs. Another way to consider reducing the amount of closing costs is to close at the end of the month or as close to the end of the month as you can. Because when you close, let's say on the 6th of the month, you have to pay interest per diem per day from the 6th to the end of the month. You pay interest up front for your mortgage, okay? So you could close at the end of the month. That will reduce the amount of money you have to bring to the closing table. Another thing to consider is if you are with the military, you get benefits through the VA. Even if you aren't active duty, if you were part of the military, you may get VA benefits and you may be able to get a VA mortgage. So that would be another way to reduce closing costs. So any questions about any of this? We're here to help. Thank you.